Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss for and while statements. Python's for statement iterates over the items of any sequence rather than only iterating over an arithmetic progression. We can write for followed by the variable name we want to use in the loop for each element in the sequence. For example, in this case, a list. I can say for fruit in fruits, which is a list, and then run my code on each element of the sequence. If you would rather iterate over an arithmetic progression over a sequence of a number rather than individual elements of a sequence, you can use the range function. So you can say for I in range, for example, 5, and then use I, which will generate numbers from 0 to 5. We can use this to iterate over the elements of the list as well. Python for statement is not limited to lists or arithmetic progression. You can even run it on a dictionary as well. For example, I've got a dictionary here which defines an eating schedule for the fruits for over the weekdays. So I can run a for loop over for each element in the dictionary. I can say for day, fruit in eating schedule.items. I can run a code for each keyword and its value in the dictionary. Let's have a look at how we can use break and continue in a for statement. So for example, I would like to skip from Saturday, so I can break the loop as soon as it's Saturday. So I can say if day is Saturday, then break the loop. So it will only print until Friday, and it will break the loop on Saturday, as you can see here. I can also use continue to skip the execution of the following block of code in the for loop. So if I say continue, it will skip for Saturday, but it will continue the next iteration. It will print Sunday. Similarly, for example, if I would like to skip Friday, I can say if day is Friday, then continue to not execute this statement. And you can see it has skipped Friday now. Let's have a look at the while loop. We can create a variable, let's say a is equal to 0. The while loop continues the execution of the loop as long as the logical expression defined next to the while statement is true. For example, while a is less than 5, the loop will continue to run. So I can say print a, and then a is equal to a plus 1. And you can see the loop started at 0 and it stopped at 4. If the statement remains to be true, the loop will continue to run. As you can see. So we'll have to interrupt this loop. So that's all for today. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.